So Beyond the Culture is in the books. To those who missed it, I did a recap video of the event where we saw a ton of stuff happen. It was crazy. We had Tom, we had Christian. Now, I'll put a link to that video down below just in case you guys haven't seen it yet. But anyway, for today's video, one of the highlights was that one of the sneaker vendors, Sneaker Dome, actually gave me a mystery box. So I have a Hype Beast sneaker mystery box from Sneaker Dome that I just want to open for today. I'm also going to, well, share with you guys my haul from the event. Actually, wasn't much. I just bought a bag. So this will be more of a chill unboxing vlog of some of the stuff that I picked up, including the mystery box from Sneaker Dome. Let's go! Let's get straight to the mystery box. So this is what the box looks like, guys. We have the sticker of Sneaker Dome as well as some sort of like cartoon of him. It is wrapped with a lot of tape. I did manage to cut some of the tape out. So let's move this over here. And yeah, let's take a look at what's inside. It's the first time I'm going to see what's inside the box. So let's take a look at it together. Open. Bam! So we have a sneaker over here, which we will not yet open because I want to save this for last. But let's take already what it says. It's Jordan 3 Retro White True Red Black Rouge. So it is my size 13. We'll set it aside over there. Next we have the collab between Supreme and Wilson. So this is like Supreme tennis ball. So that's nice. We can add this to the hype wall that we have at the back of my studio. We also have, of course, Sneaker Dome stickers that you can put, I think, on your laptop or wherever you want to put this. And we have, wow, a Sneaker Dome shirt. So guys, I'll put the link to Sneaker Dome's Instagram account down below in case you want to order stuff from him. They have a good selection of sneakers. Let's take a look at what this shoe is. Bam! So the cat actually loves the sneaker. So this is Dusty, guys. Just in case you guys haven't met him yet, he is our British short hair / Scottish fold. He really likes, sneaker boxes. So this is the Jordan 13 He Got Game, if I'm not mistaken, which is inspired, or I think that was used in a 1998 basketball movie that starred Ray Allen and Denzel Washington. And it was actually directed by one of the top Jordan brand endorsers, Spike Lee. So if I remember correctly, this is actually the sneaker that was worn by Jake Shuttlesworth in the movie. If I remember correctly. If I got it wrong, please do let me know in the comment section. I'd be happy to correct myself. So guys, this is what the shoe looks like. You have that nice leather for the upper with the black toe over here, again in leather. You have that hit of red at the bottom of the shoe, that nice Jordan brand logo, Jumpman logo at the bottom, same hologram thing here at the back. And wow, it's just a really clean sneaker all around. You have Jordan written here just below the laces, and you have the Jumpman logo again here at the top. So this is the free sneaker that I got. Wow, whew, awesome. Thank you again to Sneaker Dome for the hookup. I just checked StockX just now, and apparently this is selling in size 13 for a little over $200 or over 10,000 pesos. So that is such a gracious, nice gift. Thank you, Sneaker Dome. Appreciate you. Good luck on your business, man. I'll put the link down below to your IG. Guys, check him out. Bam! Sneaker Dome. I mean, take a look at how cute our cat is. I think I just have to spend a few seconds just with you guys and with him. Yeah, I mean, take a look at that. Take a look at that. He likes it when I scratch his chin, right, Dusty? Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog, Dusty. Uju, 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 uju. That is so cute. So guys, again, this is Dusty. Shout out to Bonnevie Cattery for hooking us up with this gray colorway. Super cute, super cuddly, super sweet cat. I mean, take a look at that. He's enjoying it so much. He's just like, he really likes it when you do this to him. So yeah, this Dusty. Bam! Now, apart from the shoes that I got, this is actually the only thing that I bought from Beyond the Culture because I didn't have time to actually shop anymore. I mean, I was going all over the event, taking pictures with the 7-to-1 squad, and you know, just meeting up with as many people as possible, hosting Christian and Tom. This is a bag that I was able to get from the winner of the best booth, which is Luxury Unlimited. So it's basically like a Supreme, I don't know, like real tree I think so. Yeah, it's a Realtree Supreme bag, and I just liked it because it's lightweight. It's easy to bring around. It does use Cordura fabric, which makes it more resistant to the weather, as well as durable. And you have that nice Supreme branding there at the middle, and you can actually use it, for example, as a briefcase, or you can even use the what do you call this, the strap over here if you want to use it as some sort of messenger. It also has multiple compartments, and it's just a nice looking all-around bag that I can use. So this one I got for I think 11,000 pesos if I'm not mistaken. Again, from Luxury Unlimited. I actually did an unboxing. They sent a mystery box a while back. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, I will put a link somewhere in this video or somewhere down below. And before we close out the vlog, I just want to do one more unboxing. So apparently this was sent over by the awesome people from Lenovo. It's a portable monitor. So man, the gadgets, they come up these days. So if you want to bring with you like a flat panel LED backlit monitor wherever you go, let's say you want an extra screen in your office, or you just want, I don't know, like me, where my MacBook is broken and I kind of need to use what do you call this, like a monitor to actually work. This is actually pretty handy. So let's unbox this and take a look at how it works. Bam! So we have manuals over here, and then oh, it has like a carrying case, so you can literally carry it around like a laptop in a sleeve. So it says over here, Think Vision. So again, guys, if you are a fan of working mobile and you want to have like a monitor with you, this is a pretty good investment. So we have a packet over here. I don't know what this is, maybe some brackets. And then we have the actual, oh, it's super light. Wow. That's awesome. This is super light for a monitor. I mean, you can barely feel it at all. So this is it, guys. It's a portable LED monitor. So it actually has a kickstand here at the back, and the ports that you see over here, you have USB-C, then you have, well, another USB-C port over here. So all you have to do, I guess, is to just plug whatever device that you're using, be it like a phone, your iPad, your laptop, and it should work. So how it works with the kickstand is you just prop it open like this one, and then you put it on the table like so. So let's just set it here, and there you go. So I'll be doing a more comprehensive take on this gadget maybe in a couple of days after I bring it around and use it. But again, if you guys are in the market for a portable LED or LCD monitor that you can bring with you as a secondary screen or a primary screen at that, or if you just want a screen bigger for your phone or your iPad for presentations, man, this looks really handy. It's super slim, super lightweight. You can slide it in your bag and you always have an extra monitor with you. I think this sells for a little over 10,000 pesos here in the Philippines, roughly 250, 220 US dollars. So it's definitely a nice investment for all of you corporate or freelancer road warriors out there. By the way, I don't know if you guys saw my recent trip to a shop where they had like an 80% sale on Nike. I actually said that if you get that video to 5,000 likes, I would give this sneaker away. The video is at 3,000 likes. Come on, guys, make it hit 5,000. I want to give this sneaker away. I bought it actually from the event, and maybe what I can do to help inspire you to give that video a like is to unbox this for you today. So again, if that video, which I will link down below, gets to 5,000 likes, giving this sneaker away. So this is actually a super clean. I mean, guys, take a look at how gorgeous this sneaker is. It's a super clean Vapor Max Plus in triple white. Bam! I mean, wow. Wow, wow, wow. One of the cleanest and most comfortable Vapor Maxes that you guys can find and that will wear. It's also kind of chunky, so if you are into that chunky vibe, this is a size 10, so a lot of you could probably fit in this, and we can probably call this like the Baymax Vapor Max because it actually has a lot of its colors. I mean, take a look at that. White, white, gray, gray. So this is officially the Vapor Max Plus Baymax. So again, guys, get this video, or not this video, get that video to 5,000 likes so we can give this sneaker away to one of you. And with that said, that wraps up our vlog for today. So we did a couple of unboxings. We even did like a tech unboxing to wrap everything up. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to join our giveaways. We have a bunch ongoing and we will be drawing some of the winners very soon. So it would be sad if you guys miss out on it. Also, make sure that you stay tuned for the upcoming vlogs because I have a ton of really cool sneakers that I want to unbox and review for you guys on this channel. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.